Okay, somebody is trying to attack me and he's attacking me into my face. Shall I strike back onto the face? Because you said to me last time that you should avoid the face. Ikhwani, when I want to defend myself, this person against the attacker, I want to defend myself, and I will defend myself sometimes without even thinking. So the hadith is not going to come to me, I have to defend myself, but I have to keep away from the face. It's momentarily, do you understand me? But I should not aim for the face. I will defend myself. I will punch maybe back. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to be, hang on a second, how much is the level of my punch here? You'll be gone if you start calculating like this. But I'm going to punch, but I'm not aiming in my intention to the face. But I'm going to defend myself because this guy's attacking me. Do you understand that? Same thing in the war. I'm trying to kill the person. I'm not aiming for the face. I'm aiming for the person. If it hit him on the face, I didn't mean that. Okay? Right. So don't worry about just now contemplating about to defend yourself. How your intention is now you don't want to, make a cause sort of disfiguration to the face.